This is why people are not making money on Facebook Reels bonus program. Facebook Reels bonus program is invite only. So we don't know exactly how they choosing to invite people. None of us actually knows that. We don't know what the stipulations are. All we know is you need 1,000 bonus plays on your reels within 30-day time frame. That's all we really know. But it's some people with millions of views on they reels, they haven't gotten invited. It's some people that hadn't even posted reels at all, but they got invited. So we don't know actually how they're. This is like a test group, like a beta phase. So we don't know how they're going about it. But the things I'm going to talk about is you want to get yourself in position so that they can invite you. You want, if there's things you can do to get yourself in position. Now we can't tell you why they're not inviting you and how. We're going to tell you what we know that's been working so far and what's not working and what you don't need to do. So that's what I'm here to talk about. Now this is both ways. This is either before you get in and you ain't got your invite yet and you trying to figure out why you haven't got your invite. This is one of the reasons. And then this is also when you get your invite and you get some stuff to go viral, and then you ain't getting the money, you get demonetized and all this other stuff. It goes for both of them. You posting your TikTok videos with the TikTok logo on Facebook. They competitors, right? They competitors. They not friends. They competitors. So you don't go and take your video and turn around and post it on Facebook with the watermark and think they're gonna pay you. That don't work. They don't work like that. I mean, you're not gonna just turn around and we competing. I'm gonna pay you to post their logo on my site. I'm gonna pay you for that. I don't care how many millions of views you got. I'm not paying you to post their logo on my site. Let's think from a business perspective. Let's think from the business perspective. Put a thinking cap on and say, do this make sense? Do this make sense for me to pay them? I don't care how many millions of views it got. It got these people logo on it, and these people are my competitors. Why would I pay you to promote my competitor? That don't make sense. There's a such thing as called repurposing your content. You know what I mean? There's a such thing as repurposing your content. And then you can create multiple videos and put them on different platforms. And you also can remove the watermarks from these different platforms. And the number one reason what I've been seeing is why people are not really making money is because they're getting demonetized before they make it. They taking the videos again from over there. They upload them with the music from over there. So now when you upload, it's your video. But the music that you upload, so when you upload to one platform and you use that music, it's already in your video that you uploaded. It's called original content. At this point, you uploading it as your original content. Soon as they do that match, because they have the voice thing where they can activate and they know every song that's being played. Soon as they get that match, you just uploaded somebody else's content. Now you got a strike or a violation because you done uploaded 15, 30, 45, 60 seconds of somebody else's song when you could have just muted that out on this video. Find the same song on the actual platform that you uploaded it to and overlay your video with the song from the platform that they offer it. If you're on YouTube, use YouTube music. If you're on Facebook, use Facebook music. You don't take a video from TikTok and put it on Facebook or YouTube with the music from that platform. Don't do it because you'll get a strike. They'll say, they notice this, they hear the sound, but they hear the sound, they know it's from this person, but you uploaded it and you said it was yours. Now you got a strike when you could have simply just click the drop down button, found the same song and put it in there. And now you got a video that's right there. So that's what you want to do. You don't want to do that because you messing yourself up. People are just making these mistakes. They moving too fast. They so busy trying to make money that they making a lot of mistakes. You can't be so focused on trying to make the money that you start making all these mistakes, because it's going to cost you in the end. In the end, it's just going to cost your whole account. Once you get booted from the program, you can't get back in. So you'd rather, okay, some people are saying this. Oh yeah, I got paid and I uploaded these videos and I did this and I uploaded videos from that platform. Yeah, you slipped through the cracks. But don't encourage people to do that, because every day more and more people are getting invited. They're getting more and more strict. They not going to sit up and just pay everybody. And you might have slipped through the cracks, but that don't mean that that's what we're supposed to be doing. Just do it the way it's supposed to be done. We all have videos that had TikTok logos from way back, because Facebook didn't have Reels at the time. So we was posting TikTok and we was sharing and we was doing everything. We all have those from the past. That don't mean you keep doing it when you're trying to get into a program or when you done already got into the program. Now, here we go. Let's start with this. You don't want to just be posting on Facebook or so and so and so and so. You want to be a content creator. You want to position yourself. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket, or people getting demonetized every day, people losing stuff every day, people getting their accounts hacked every day. You want to be a content creator so that everywhere you go, you making money from every situation. You want to be a content creator. You want to learn how to become a content creator so you can make money in multiple ways, because there are way more ways to make money than just these programs. You want to position yourself in the right way. And if you haven't started with Facebook Reels yet, then you can start with, you really want to start with your business page, but you can start with your personal page too. But you really want to position yourself, because they got other programs coming out that they already back there. They got other programs that they building out. And it's really good. If you have a business, you want a business page. That's just point blank, period. Because you want to still have your business out there. You don't want to stop everything you doing and what you working for to push something else, and you getting paid for views and you never know when it's going to leave. You want to be a content creator, and you want to know how to purpose your content so that you can maximize your profits in the end. In the end, it's all about maximizing what you're doing. But don't make these mistakes, because a lot of people are making these mistakes, and we don't want to see people losing their accounts. You done had your account and now you done lost